Hi there, Tad Harger from Marketing for Hippies. I thought I'd just share this quick little hub marketing case study. This is from a woman, Lucinda, who emailed me recently. So I'll read her email. She said, I did a puttering session with you earlier this year, and since then, the therapeutic modality that I use, internal family systems, captured the public imagination, and my phone has been ringing off the hook. Funny that all I had to do was be on a directory to make that happen. Anyways, then she says some appreciative words, which is great. But all I had to do was be on a directory to make that happen. This is what hub marketing is. Hub marketing is, instead of saying, please shine the spotlight on me, over here, you look at where the light is already shining and you go and stand there. And ta-da, problem solved. So that's what a directory is. If there's this listing of all the people who do your modality, make sure you're on it. Now, of course, Lucinda's in a very lucky situation. She was an earlier adopter in becoming a trainer for this system, the internal family systems, this modality, and she's on a directory, and suddenly it caught the public imagination by storm. People start to notice it, want to know about it, for reasons that had nothing to do with her. Yeah, it wasn't her efforts that did it, but now all of a sudden people are looking for it. So that's what we call luck, and a certain portion of business is definitely just luck that has nothing to do with us. And so if you see what I'm saying, she just happened to be standing somewhere, and then the spotlight, boom, started shining on her, and she didn't even have to move. She was parched, she needed water, and all of a sudden the dam bursts on a river, and she has a huge river flowing in front of her now. And the water's just there. So when that happens, of course, it's good to be ready for it, to take advantage of it, and that's where we have these 5 fundamentals, making sure that marketing feels good, that you've got your niche figured out, you've clarified your point of view, you have a clear business model, and you've got your hub marketing figured out. Don't rely on luck in business. When it happens, do your best to take advantage of it, to ride that wave, but don't base your strategy on that. Hope is not a good strategy in business, but those 5 fundamentals are. You can check them out at marketingforhippies.com/steps. For even a higher level of fundamentals, check out my starter kit on my website. But it's a good example of hub marketing. Where are they already paying attention? Are you in all of those places? A directory seems like such a simple example, and yet people miss it from time to time. Are there Facebook groups where your people hang out? Are there cafes they go to? Are there events and locations where you can find them? Are there certain people who are very connected to that niche, to that scene? If so, are you connected to those people? Hub marketing is so much of where it's at. And by the way, if you want to check out more thoughts on hub marketing, there's a ton of playlists here. But if you go to the marketingforhippies.com/steps, go down to step number 5, and that's hub marketing, and it'll have all the links there for you. Tons of free stuff. There's an ebook you can check out, a 30-day program I do once a year. And if you'd like to brainstorm how this could translate to your business and your situation, you can book a one-on-one session with me at marketingforhippies.com/puttering. And if you want to see my stuff, well, this YouTube is a hub and a repository for all my information. So if you subscribe to it, you'll be in the flow of the river of all my videos that come out. But you have to hit the subscribe and then the bell icon, and then you'll be notified every time a video comes out. And of course, on Instagram, I'm there. I post stuff regularly. Thanks so much.